Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will do workout for our shoulders or arms or for our back. So this is the best exercises you must do. For these exercises you need a pair of dumbbells, or if you don't have dumbbells then use water filled bottles. So let's get started with the first exercise. Before first exercise, let's warm up a bit. So big arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now take hands up like this and release. Up and release. 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Now some crossovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. So let's get started with the first exercise. For first exercise we need only one dumbbell. I will do single hand row. For that, right leg forward, left leg back like this, upright hinging. Dumbbell near your knee. Now do like this, single hand row. Okay, 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Change of leg. Right leg goes forward. Now left leg goes forward. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Our next exercise is half curl like this. For that, both legs together, bend a bit, back would be straight, one hand resting on leg and one arm curled like this. Now open like this and close. Let's do 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Change of side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Let's do some squat pulls. For that, hold the dumbbell on the right hand like this. Now near your thigh, take it up like this, okay, a little back. So let's do 15 of these on the right side. 1. It is like pulling a squat. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, good, 13, 14 and 15. Great job. Now change of hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Great job. Now grab both of the dumbbells. That means for the next exercise you need both dumbbells. Now I did single hand movement. Now I will do both hands movement. So first both hand row. For that feet shoulder wide apart, hinge. Now back would be straight, hands would be like this and squeeze the back up like this and release. Okay, so let's do 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Now curl. I'll show you the front mode. Bend down, hands like this, curl a bit. Now do like this. Okay, 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Now squat pulls with both hands. For that, hold your dumbbells like this and take them up like this and get it back. Okay, make a A in the end like this. Okay, so let's do 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. So let's take 10 seconds of break. Have a sip of water. Make sure you have a sip of water. These are the best exercises you can do to reduce your shoulder, arms and back fat, and moreover with the plus point, it gives support to your breast fat as well. That means you will be able to reduce breast fat using these exercises as well. So let's not waste time. Let's do some 10 wall push-ups. Wider grip, wider than the shoulder. Now push and pull. 10 of these. 1, 2. After this we will start superset. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. You can do basic push-ups as well or floor push-ups as well. Now let's not waste time and do my superset. For the superset, what we'll do? Raise arm like this. Now do like this and like this. It is a three-way movement. Front raise, side raise, lateral raise. Okay. So let's do 15 of these. 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Muscle training is very good for health because when you lose weight, like I have lost around 30 kgs, so I will not get loose skin in the end. By doing muscle training, my loose skin will go away. 10. Good. 5 more to go. 5, 4, 3. Good. 2, 1. Great job. Now for the other movement, I'll do some front raises like this. Now for the next movement, I'll do front raise like this, holding hands to the back and press up like this and down. Okay. So let's do 15 of these. Front raise, side, up. Great job. Front raise, side, up. Great job. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good, 2 more to go. 14. Last 15. Great job. Now for the last exercise, I'll do swingers. For that, hold your dumbbell like this. Now swing up and down for 15 moves. Okay. Let's do 15 of these. 1, 2, but fast. 3, 4, 5, 6. Motive of this move is to burn the maximum calories. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. So you are all done. Let's cool down a bit. Rolling the shoulders to the back. They are hurting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Crossovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. And also, please do comment and let me know what else you want to see on my channel and what are your other requirements. I'll definitely try to fill them up. Thank you so much for watching and being with me.